Alright guys, we got the Atlas milling machine here, and today I had a job I had to set up. Well, it just takes so dang long to set these jobs up, everything. Regardless if it's the lathe, mill, drill press, everything takes time. You know, Preparation for the setup is the most critical, because if your setup ain't right, the job ain't gonna be right. So, what I did here is I made these spacers, and this is an incomplete spacer, but both sides of the spacers are to the exact dimension of 1 inch. So when I put this in the lathe, it's going to be 1 inch on this side also. And the bore is 7/8 because I have a 7/8 arbor. So what I did here is the space in between here is the exact dimension of the slot that I want. So this slot is 200ths, and it should be 220, give or take. Let's see here. Let's see. Oh, come on. Oh, got it off. Got it off. Okay. Put it back on here. Stay. Alright, there we go. Exactly at 19.5. So it's a hair off. If I 19.5. Oop, 20. That was me. Yep, 19.5. So this is just a hair off, but you also remember when you make these slots, which I'm sure this is the reason why, these teeth here are just a hair bit wider than the hole, ID hole. So this one here, if you look at it, see how that's wider, and where this part of the cutter is exactly flush, but it is wider on the cutting side. So always keep that in mind to calculate that. That's probably what happened, is I made this exactly at 20 when I probably should have made it at 21 to take up from the size of the tooth. Well, live and learn. At least it's my fault instead of you guys doing it and you guys messing up. Now you know. So now that it's that way, this will always be cutting at 219 point, what is that? No, 219.5 thousandths. So this is it, guys. This is how you make your operations of setup a lot quicker. I mean, you don't have to worry about putting all these washers together. You don't have to worry about how you're going to be holding that part. I mean, it's ready. It's good. So all I do is I take this off, send this out, put my shims in here, and then I'll put the desired shim that I need, whatever it is, 1 inch, 5/8, 7/16, whatever. It'll be right in that slot, and then that way I'll always know that slot will always be that size. So that's it, guys. So if you guys like this content, be sure to give thumbs up, thumbs down. Later.